So, hello guys, how are you? Today, I'm gonna analyze you guys one of the interesting questions that appeared in November SAT exam. So let's read the question. In triangle XY that the measure of angle X is X degrees, the measure of angle Y is Y degrees, and the measure of angle Z is 31 degrees. Okay, if X is greater than Y and Y is greater than 31, which of the following additional piece of information is not sufficient to determine the values of X and Y? Okay guys, first of all, let's understand. We're like draw the triangle. You have an X angle, Y angle, and this one is 31 degrees. And what we know is the sum of interior angles, like X plus Y plus 31, equals 180 degrees. And then guys, we know that X plus Y now equals 180 minus 31, which equals 149 degrees, right? And now guys, imagine you will be given the values of one of these expressions, and by using this you have to find the value of X and Y, but we have to choose the one that is still not sufficient to find them, right? So what I do guys here is approaching it with linear equation, like system of linear equation. You are given guys one of the equation, and now we have to find another one that gives us like no solution. But first guys, let's understand the case. For example, if you have an equation like a1x plus b1y equals c1 and a2x like plus b2y equals c2. And guys, like to get the one solution, first of all, to get the one solution, you must have a1 over a2 not equals b1 over b2. Or to get the no solution, like because now we have to find something no solution, like which is not sufficient. a1 over a2 like equals b1 over b2 not equals c1 over c2. Like now we have to find this case guys, and now check the equation. So the option A we have 31 minus x minus 3y now equals guys, let's say kind of like m. It is now equals to m, and then after like we have to make it in this form. So I'm going to move this x and 3y to the right side. So I'm gonna have like x plus y equals 149, the first equation, and the second one is x plus 3y now equals 31 minus m. And as you guys can see, it is something different. Like even if you use the ratios, like we're gonna have 1 which is not equal 1 over 3. That's all guys. It is giving us like the ratio is not equal, so you can get one solution, and which means we can easily find the value of x and y by using the first expression, the first value. So let's eliminate it. And if you guys check the option B and C, still you are gonna have like one solution, which means you can find. And what about the option D guys? Let's write it down again, like 31 minus 3x minus 3y. Again guys, I'm just saying that m. And then if you simplify, you're gonna have 3x plus 3y equals 31 minus m. And the first equation you guys have x plus y now equals to what? Like 149, right? And if you use the rule here guys, we have 1 and 1 here. So 3 divided by 1, which is 3. 3 divided by 1, 3. And then the last one is 31 minus m. Guys, not equals to 149, because as you guys can see, like the values are different. Still you're not gonna have the same value, so you can just write it not equals, and that means we're gonna have no solution here, and then the correct answer is just D guys. That's all. Where you can also understand in this way, for example, if you simplify the first equation guys, you're gonna have like x plus y equals like 31 minus m divided by 3. And you already know guys what is x plus y equals. Like x plus y is 149, right? And still guys, you just have the same information, which means you cannot find the values of an x and y here. Like I just showed you the both way, using the system of equation or approaching in this way. So yeah, goodbye guys.